My name is Ana Saldaña. I am 32 years old. I am currently studying business administration at the University of Compensa. I work at the UNO. The goal I wanted to achieve with this law was: number one, the most important thing about this law was the transmission confidence, and the two vendor the maker with any rules. Number two, a tie of the signal at the street and the challenge current was chosen. We had a post fought by under through species for one. Number three, iron three is the logo that every company would like to have the signal for is later and after add attention on which cities cost 500 at the pitch. Those species for one. Number four, vinyl. The house for the transmitted to the story was a cost of 10 million pesos. Thank you. Happy afternoon.